Excuse me? I don't think I like your tone. Oh, yeah? Yeah? I'm fired? Is that what you're fucking saying? I'm fired. Huh? Say it. Yeah? Yeah, oh, I'm fired? Well, fuck you. Fuck you, okay? Say it again. Say it again. I fucking dare you. Yeah, really? Huh? Yeah? You fucking think so, eh? Say it again, fuckface. I fucking dare you, buddy. Oh, what's that? You got nothing to say now? Huh? Ain't got so many fucking balls now, do ya? That's what I fucking thought, bitch.